What's up, YouTube? This is Too Raw for TV. All right, so shout out to Joshua, who's in the basketball chat group that I'm a member of, and he posted this video of actress Paula Patton preparing chicken. Right, I guess her chicken recipe. I guess she posted this on her Instagram, and it's going viral because it's fucking disgusting how she prepares chicken. It almost makes you wonder: is this some type of belated April Fool's joke? I couldn't see the video initially. I couldn't see what was going on. Um, I had to go on YouTube and look at it. And my God, man. Look, I'm not the world's greatest cook, okay? But from what I have observed of preparing chicken myself and watched other people prepare chicken, um, first of all, you're not supposed to contaminate your whole goddamn kitchen cleaning the goddamn chicken, okay? uh, spreading E. coli every goddamn where in your goddamn chicken. And then Paula wondered why, probably why she wakes up at fucking 4 o'clock in the morning shitting everywhere. Okay? Secondly, I have never seen anybody put seasoning and flour, but seasoning on the chicken as it's in the grease. I mean, these are some basic shit things that you learn just from observation, just from watching cooking shows over the years, just from watching your auntie and your mom cook chicken. I mean, this ain't a cultural thing. This is a common sense thing. And then the chicken looks all fucked up and shit. The outside all blackened and charred, and the inside look all raw. How the fuck did you? You know, what I want to understand, what I want to know is how has she gone? If this is legit, like this ain't no joke, and this is real. How the fuck has she gone this long without somebody saying, "What the fuck are you doing? What is this?" I don't know, man. Well, it goes to show you too that being pretty can take you long because ain't no way in the hell. This is some of the stuff that bothers men. Okay, I know as an older man now, not older, but I'm becoming more seasoned. Pardon the pun. You know what's becoming less important to me? It's still important, but it's less important as you get older. It's a little bit less important. When you're a younger man, you're a little bit more shallow. You're kind of fixated on the physical. When you get older, your priorities begin to change. You begin to see that just because a woman is beautiful doesn't mean she's a person, a beautiful human being altogether. You start looking at a person, uh, I think, as far as a potential mate or just somebody you want to fuck with. To me, you start looking at them the same way that a general manager looks at a fucking player. You know what I'm saying? All around. Yeah, you want someone that attracts you sexually, but you want some other shit. And I know one big thing. You look. You can call me old fashioned. You can call me misogynistic. I don't give a fuck. Okay. When I was growing up, it was important for a woman to be able to cook, at least decently. I ain't saying you gotta be Julia Child, but goddamn, at least be able to cook. These are some. I'm telling you, if women are concerned about why they can't keep a fucking man, that is a big part of it. If you cannot fucking cook, that is a big fucking no-no. Especially if you refuse to learn how to cook. There's no way in the hell this woman cooks on a regular basis. This is some bullshit. I don't know, but anyway, in that video, it's a whole lot of no-nos that she does, but especially the grease shit, man. You're gonna season the grease? Oh my god, man. But she pretty though. She fine. It's Bristol, man. She fine.